we are here in Sikaton na Bohol, the mirror of the world. We're in many places around the world. Came into one place, depart into one place. Kuan dito mga tour, sa tawagan nga itong mga see the world in one place. Sikaton na mirror of the world. Here in Dental Garden of Sikaton na Bohol. May pamangkin. My daughter. May ingat ako, my sister. My daughter. We're here. Thank you for this, bro. Get one. Wonders of the world. Here. Much excited sa Great Wall of China.
Check lang po kami ng vlog niya.
Of course. Yes! Oy, the last time we here is sa tong Rio. Si Rio, the last time we were here last 7 years ago di into si Rio. So karon na siya ikuan o si ayun, Nanay Tower. Oh, si Tower na day. Ipi Tower day no. Tower, that's a tower kuan sa Paris. Oo. Oh, before wala na siya as in way back 2018 wala na siya. Wala ni siya before me kani this one. Oh, the goddess ni sila mga goddess. Okay, I'll tell you.
Kana pa to, kanang
Yes. And now we are here. Nak, can you take me ako anak bi video nak ko open kana video nak ano na
Utin?
okay.
Kukututin ba? Lagi. Nabito niya kita bulan yung joke kita anak kami. Ano natin din?
Eiffel Tower okay sa una last na wala 2018 wala na katong last time diri tower.
Si Gold ilan Eiffel Tower. Apollo Hermes.
I'm too much excited.
I'm also excited. I wanna run, pero
Yes, I love this. Thank you, Nak. Thank you, Nak, for being my human
where's my credit,
tripod.
mother?
Thank you. Here.
Ma, patunta.
Nak,
Patunta, ma.
can you press the picture, Nak, first? Okay.
Wait lang pa.
Akin na. Asa gitawag ta?
Oh. Pa, nag-imot lang ganda kay nabuhag na siya siyang yun.
Klaro kay kas video diri ha. Okay, arita sa Hollywood. I'll bring you here into Hollywood. Yan, wala na ba yung Hollywood karon? No, wala na no.
Wala na, sunog na.
Wala na. Wala na, sunog ng Hollywood. Pero ang Hollywood, meron. Ito, yan. One. O see? Hollywood. Hollywood. It's their fountain. Ay, Lord. Kana siyang bridge before. Pag-arin ako way back 2018, wala pa na. Karon nana siya, Nana siya. Nanang. Last. Wala ni. Last. May pagkuan mi. Wala pa na sumpay. Okay. Dirita. Okay.